Hi, I'm Abner.
Hi, I'm Toby.
Toby, what do you think about the new biology?
New biology, you mean the bioengineering?
Yes.
I heard some news about some achievements in this technology. Have you know the process of creating new creatures?
Yes, I searched the information on the YouTube and I see the scientists put glow genes in normal cells and the normal mammal cells are glowing in the dark. And the scientists used this technology on kittens and monkeys, and also if they can do on the human beings, I think they are very good.
Do you know if the scientists can use this kind of technology in business work?
Yes, they have tried it, and
Really?
yes, about the salmon fish, they
Salmon
have.
fish?
Before they used this technology, they just have one color, and after using this technology, they have many colors and very beautiful.
Oh, I got it.
So what do you think about the scientists use the human being cells on transplant in the animal cells?
I think it is a good choice because if I have opportunity to recreate my body, I would like to insert the cells from tiger's leg and the wing cells from the eagles, so I can run faster or fly in the sky. It's cool, doesn't it?
It's a good choice, but I don't think it's good
Why?
because it's not a respect to the mouse, respect to the animals. Because if we transplant the human being cells on animal cells, I think it's something bad happening.
Oh, so I think it's doesn't think of respect because human is developed from the animals from many years ago, and I think insert the animals cells into human being and insert the human being cells into animals is.
We can see we don't know what will be happen in the future. We can see that.
Yes.
Thank you.
Excuse me.